Okay. Hello. This is Boys Club, and today we have Idominus Rex comes with a Gyrosphere. Today we're going to open it. Let's open it.
Bring it to me, Bubba. You can't videotape it. Come on.
Mommy! Okay. Hey, sissy.
Never mind.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
All right, videotape it, okay?
Okay.
This is the opening of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta keep talking to the video.
Okay. And Daddy's opening it right now. We'll wait. Okay. Now it's off.
Are you still telling everybody what it does?
Yeah. And it jumps action.
Chomp action?
Yeah. With his tail.
Mm-hmm. You want me to video?
Do it.
Hold it and you tell them what to do?
Okay.
Here. All right. Now you go ahead.
Okay.
Show them how it works.
Okay. All you have to do to do this. And you can move their legs too. And this they move these legs hands too.
All right. Here.
Look at these eyes.
Hold it and let's get the gyrosphere out.
Okay.
Okay. Keep videoing
Okay.
for all your followers. Okay.
Okay.
There's your little man.
Okay.
Show the video of the little man right there.
Okay.
See? All right. Now we're undoing the gyrosphere.
Gyrosphere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What exactly is a gyrosphere? Explain to everybody what a gyrosphere is, Bo.
Gyrospheres run around and the Idominus Rex gets them.
That's what a gyrosphere is?
Yeah. In the woods. Oh. And there was two kids.
Yep.
I don't know what their name is.
Okay.
Everyone's watching it.
Mm-hmm.
They are watching it on their iPads.
Mm-hmm.
And Daddy's opening it right now.
Go.
Look at me, Dad. What's in it?
Got it. Pretty awesome.
Yeah, I will.
I wish I had toys like this when I was a kid.
Sissy. But you can share.
I can share with you now?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Bubba.
Come on.
Very nice of you.
You can share everything.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, where's this?
My turn, your turn.
Goes on there like that.
That's it.
You know how this works? You watch the video?
Yeah.
I'll video and you show everybody out there in YouTube land.